You cannot minimize taxes or build wealth if you don't know what's happening financially. If you've ever looked at your numbers and felt anxious, avoided your bank account, or waited until tax season to think about taxes, this episode is going to change that. Today, we're talking about the financial habits of women business owners who rarely stress about taxes. And this is not because they're lucky, it's not because they make millions, but because they operate differently. Let's talk about what financially calm women do differently. Stress around money does not come from numbers. It comes from uncertainty. When you don't know what you owe, what you can spend, or what's coming in next, your nervous system stays on alert. But when women understand their finances, something shifts. Taxes stop feeling scary, decisions feel grounded, growth feels controlled. Financially confident women don't avoid their numbers. You know what they do? They review revenue, expenses, profit, and cash flow. And they do this consistently. Not obsessively, but intentionally. You cannot minimize taxes or build wealth if you don't know what's happening financially. Clarity reduces anxiety. Avoidance, that increases it. This one changes everything. Women who really stress about taxes, they estimate quarterly, they set money aside intentionally, and they adjust when income changes. They don't wait for April to find out what happened last year. They make decisions before December 31st. That's where the real tax savings live. Mixing business and personal money, that only creates confusion. Financially calm women, do you know what they do? They pay themselves consistently, they track business profits separately, and they treat their business like an entity, not a personal bank account. This alone creates control, and control builds wealth. Reactive decisions are expensive. Confident women ask, what are the tax implications? Is this purchase strategic? How does this affect profit? They don't guess. They consult, they analyze, and they move intentionally. The biggest difference, they don't just focus on this month. They think about retirement. They're thinking about investments. They're thinking about long-term tax efficiency. And of course, they are thinking about generational wealth. Wealth isn't built in one good year. It's built through consistent strategic decisions over time. Financial calm isn't about perfection. It's about preparation. And the women who build wealth quietly and confidently, they aren't more talented. They're just more intentional. And if you want to become the kind of woman who feels calm and confident about taxes and money, you should subscribe to this channel. Every week, I break down tax strategy and wealth building specifically for women business owners. So, like this video so other women can find it. And I want you to comment below which of these habits do you need to strengthen first. In the next episode, we're going to talk about practical tax moves you can make before year end to legally reduce your tax bill. So I'll see you there.